Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone to avoid bricking it. Charge to 50% and back up any data. Once done, enable USB debugging in developer options and OEM unlock if the bootloader is unlocked. This gives you ADB access. Make sure you have a PC with Xiaomi drivers and ADB/fastboot installed. Once everything is ready, power off the phone and boot into recovery or fast boot mode. Typically volume up plus power or volume down plus power depending on model. You now capture and analyze logs to target the root cause. Connect via ADB and run a dblogcat to collect boot errors and identify failing services. If system files are corrupted, download the correct MIUI or fastboot ROM for your exact model. Then use fastboot flash commands to reflash recovery, system, or vendor partitions. Make sure to wipe cache and Dalvik art cache before rebooting. If a custom recovery is present, you can sideload updates or use TWRP to restore a known good backup. You finish by rebooting to system and observing the full boot sequence. Verify apps load and settings persist. Once the phone boots reliably, restore user data from your backup. If the device remains stuck on logo, try entering EDL emergency download mode for low-level flashing or reflash using MyFlash with the correct ROM. If EDL fails, make sure drivers are correct and cable reliable. As a troubleshooting tip, if flashing repeatedly fails, test with another PC and USB cable before assuming hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.